See, first create a shape like this. Remove outline and fill with any color. Okay. Then select eraser tool. Size of this tool you can increase or decrease from curly brackets. Okay. Now see, if you want to erase, okay, so when you leave you can see it's smooth. Now this part is separate and this is separate. Okay, so this one you can like see. So this tool can be used to design different types of logos also. Like if you create another ellipse and then select eraser tool, now see, if you press and hold shift and then erase, so it's straight. See, now see, all are different shapes now. See, see. So that is called which tool? Eraser tool. The next is scissor tool. Scissor tool, from one anchor to another anchor you can cut the shapes.
So let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Can you design like this and know the size? Can you measure the size of something that is around?
You want to
Know the size.
the size of this?
Yeah. For example, it is easy to know the size of something square or rectangle. But is it can you know the size of something around?
See, one by one it will come. This is artboard tool.
Okay, okay.
This is width 11.69 by 8.87. Or we have measure tool here also which can measure. Okay, it shows like width and height. So these things will come later. Right now you can see these things. Okay. Then what we were taught, scissor tool. So scissor like rectangle tool. Now if you select scissor, now click on first anchor and then second anchor. Now if you select selection tool, you can see this one is separate, that one is separate.
Pardon, sir.
Hmm?
Okay, start again.
Confusion? See. First create a shape,
Okay.
then select scissor tool. Now first click on this anchor point, then click on this anchor point. Then select direct selection or selection tool, so you can see both are separate shapes now. So in this shape means to say there are two parts. So if you select with direct selection tool, this part you can change color also. Okay. Same if you create ellipse tool, ellipse shape, okay, and then select scissor tool. Now here you can see first anchor point. Click here and then click there. Now you can see this one is separate, that one is separate. Okay. You can select this and you can change.
So you join it with which tool? Command.
Command Z I just used for undo. It was already joined. Okay. Then we have knife. So knife tool, like if you create ellipse. Okay. So knife you can cut shapes from anywhere. In scissor you have to use in anchor points. Okay. Eraser tool can also erase from anywhere in the shape. Same thing like here, this. Now if you select selection tool, You can see this is different. See, this is
Okay, sir.
okay. So you can select after this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now